When it comes to enjoying nature or spotting your favorite bird, many buyers make the mistake of settling for subpar binoculars that don't deliver. In this video, we'll compare 5 top-rated options from Amazon that stand out for their performance and usability. If you're serious about bird watching, outdoor adventures, or even attending live sports events, stick around because our top pick might just surprise you with its features and value. Occer 12x25. Compact binoculars for adults and kids. Large eyepiece. Waterproof binocular with low light vision. High-powered, easy focus. Binoculars for birdwatching, outdoor hunting, travel, sightseeing. These binoculars are perfect for families and individuals who appreciate outings, whether it's birdwatching or a day at the park. The Occer 12x25 model boasts a 12x magnification and a large eyepiece, making it easy to spot distant wildlife or enjoy outdoor events. They perform well in low-light conditions, an essential feature for twilight excursions. A standout aspect is the waterproof design, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. However, while they're compact and lightweight for easy portability, some users might find the field of view a bit limited, which could affect the overall experience during fast-paced activities. Hontry Binoculars for adults and kids, 10x25. Compact binoculars for birdwatching, theater and concerts, hunting and sport games. The Hontry 10x25 binoculars are a versatile choice for both adults and kids, making them ideal for anyone looking to enhance their viewing experience at concerts, sporting events, or during nature hikes. Offering a respectable 10x magnification, these binoculars deliver a clear and crisp image. Their compact size makes them easy to carry in a bag or backpack, and they feature a non-slip grip for comfortable handling. A notable advantage is their affordability, allowing families to enjoy quality binoculars without breaking the bank. However, the relatively small objective lens can limit performance in low-light situations, which could deter some users from their intended use in twilight or early dawn. Educational insights. GeoSafari Kidnoculars. Toy binoculars for kids. Outdoor toys for kids. Ages 4 to 8. Toddler camping and nature toys. Lightweight binoculars with neck strap. Bird-watching gear. These binoculars are specially designed for younger explorers aged 4 to 8. The educational insights. GeoSafari Kidnoculars offer a unique lightweight design perfect for small hands, making them an excellent introduction to outdoor observation. With an easy focus feature and neck strap, kids can comfortably wear them during outdoor adventures. Their fun, vibrant colors and kid-friendly design encourage exploration of nature, fostering a love for the great outdoors at an early age. However, while they are great for children, their 2x magnification may not satisfy older kids or adults looking for a more powerful option, limiting their utility in more serious wildlife observation. Adorrgon 12x42 HD binoculars for adults. High-powered with phone adapter, tripod and tripod adapter. Large view binoculars with clear low-light vision, binocular for bird-watching cruise travel. For serious birdwatchers and outdoor enthusiasts, the Adorrgon 12x42 HD binoculars represent a step up in quality and functionality. With 12x magnification and 42mm objective lenses, they offer a bright and sharp image even in low-light conditions. The inclusion of a phone adapter and a tripod makes it easy to capture stunning views and ensures stability during use, making these binoculars ideal for extended viewing sessions. They are also designed with comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic grip for prolonged use. However, the larger size may be a drawback for those seeking ultra-portable options for quick outings. 12x42 HD binoculars for adults. High-powered with phone adapter and tripod. Super bright. BAK4 prism. Waterproof binoculars for birdwatching, hunting, hiking, safari, travel sports. Our top pick, the 12x42 HD binoculars, offers a perfect blend of advanced optics and user-friendly features that cater to a wide range of activities, from birdwatching to hunting. With powerful 12x magnification and a BH4 prism, these binoculars deliver exceptional clarity and brightness, even in challenging lighting conditions. The included phone adapter allows you to easily capture photos of your observations, while the waterproof feature ensures durability in various environments. The comfortable grip and lightweight design contribute to an enjoyable user experience. One minor downside is that the price point may be higher compared to basic models, but the performance and versatility make this investment worthwhile for serious outdoor enthusiasts. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor adventures, be sure to consider these top 5 binoculars. Each option brings unique strengths to the table, tailored to different needs and experiences. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these fantastic binoculars. Happy bird watching and outdoor exploring!